This video explains how to create capital market perception analysis using Kognetics. Within capital markets, information for any company is time sensitive and constantly changing. It's critical to update this information when preparing pitch books. The parameters that usually need to be updated are share price, financials, analyst comments, and forecasts. This analysis can take about 2 hours when you have the analyst reports available, but without the reports it can be very time consuming. Kognetics enables analysts to create complete analysis in just a few minutes. Let me show you a sample capital market analysis that I created with the application. Here I'm looking at HubSpot as my base company, and I create this one-page overview on target prices and recommendations. The second chart is on share price performance. The next chart has trading statistics, and I've also added charts for operating statistics and valuation statistics. And this was pretty easy to create with Kognetics. These charts are complex, but it took just a few minutes to create them. Kognetics provides robust data around capital markets. For my trading statistics, I'm able to pick up the high and low share price over multiple periods. For operating statistics, I can pick up the basic metrics for the company, including revenue, gross profit, EBITDA, and net income. For the valuation statistics, it goes a step further where I can get enterprise value over sales, enterprise value over EBITDA, and other ratios used in valuations. Kognetics makes it really easy to compare financial performance across companies. If I look at the recommendations versus comps, I can understand how companies compare to their analyst predictions. For the evolution on recommendation, I can see how my specific company fared relative to analyst forecasts. And I can also plot out the trading price versus the target price to understand where there are any gaps in performance. It's also easy to choose reporting periods between annual and last 12 months. Not every company reports results on a calendar year basis, so it's very easy to put everything on a last 12 months basis to get comparisons between companies with different fiscal years. And last, it's easy to refresh and edit the charts. So as I build the charts, I can edit them. And if I make a mistake, I can just go back and recreate it. Very easy. Let's get started with how to do capital market perception analysis. I've created a demo project and added HubSpot as my base company. Now we'll go directly to the publishing module. I'm going to select a template to create this chart, and I'll choose the 4-quadrant chart. On the left side of the screen, you'll see all the different data sets that I can choose from to create the charts. Under the Financials module on the left side, select Trading Volumes, Evolution of Recommendations, Trading Price versus Target Price, and Recommendations versus Comps. You'll notice that the Recommendation versus Comps chart here doesn't show any comps data. With Kognetics, it's really easy to add comparable companies and create this graphic. Let me show you how it's done. I'll go back to the Projects module and add comparable companies. For this demo video, I've already created a new project and added 5 comparable companies to HubSpot. Once this is done, you can go directly to the publishing through this link. Our previously saved chart is in the previewer. Let's bring it back to the editor and create the Recommendations versus Comps graphic in the 4th quadrant. Now we have a graphic with comparable companies. As you can see, Kognetics offers great flexibility, especially around the financials. It also makes refreshing data and editing charts very simple and easy. With my first chart done, I can type in a title and put the chart into the repository. For the remaining charts, I'll choose a full pager. I'll first create this with the share price performance. I'll now go back down to the comparable analysis module, and I'll pick up the trading statistics and move the chart over into the repository. Let me create a similar template with operating statistics and valuation statistics. It's done, and I'll use a previewer to go through it. I've just created a few pitchbook ready charts in less than 5 minutes. The charts look great, so let's close them and download them. All these charts are now fully editable, and you can modify the charts, change the data, change the colors, change the formatting, change anything you want. Kognetics gives you ease and flexibility to create capital market perception charts. Thank you.